For regular updates, please subscribe to Smriti's Kitchen. Hello viewers, welcome back. Traditionally, modaks are prepared by all Hindus on Lord Ganesha's birthday. Modaks are made by using variety of ingredients and methods. Today, I am happy to share with you traditional and authentic recipe called steam modaks, which is one of my favorites. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe. So let's start. To make this delicious and dome-shaped modak recipe, we will need 1 cup grated fresh coconut, 1 cup jaggery, 1 cup rice flour, few cashew nuts, almonds and pistachios, half tablespoon sesame seeds, 5 to 6 green cardamom pods, half tablespoon poppy seeds, few saffron sticks and 1 teaspoon rose essence. Dry roast poppy seeds in a pan and keep them aside. On a medium flame, heat a pan, add 1 cup grated fresh coconut and 1 cup jaggery. We will use this preparation as a stuffing in our recipe. Using a spoon, continuously stir till the jaggery melts completely and both the ingredients are blended together. As the jaggery melts, add half tablespoon roasted poppy seeds, half tablespoon sesame seeds, cardamom powder, crushed dry fruits, saffron and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon rose essence, give it a stir and the stuffing is ready. Rose essence will enhance the taste and aroma for this dish. You can also use rose water instead of rose essence, but in that case add 2 to 3 spoons of rose water. I will transfer the stuffing into a small bowl and we will move on to make the dough for this traditional modaks. This delicious recipe is generally loved by all, but only a few people try to make it in the traditional way. Add 1 cup water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter and 1/4 teaspoon salt. When the water starts boiling, add 1 cup of rice flour, mix it with water, cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and transfer the flour onto a large plate. Bind the dough using some cold water. The dough and stuffing are ready. Now we will first make the modaks using a mold and later I will show you how to make the modaks without using a mold. Grease the inner side with some ghee and close the mold. Take a small portion of dough and insert it into the mold. Using your fingers, press the dough from all sides and prepare a hollow space inside to accommodate the stuffing. Insert some stuffing into the hollow space and close the modak, applying some dough from the bottom. Gently open the mold and remove the perfectly shaped beautiful modak and set it aside. Now repeat this process and prepare all the modaks. When you evenly press the dough inside the mold, it imprints the beautiful shape of the mold onto soft dough. Make sure that you are evenly distributing the dough inside. If you don't have the mold handy, then follow these steps to make the modak. Take a small portion of dough and using your fingers prepare a dish like a small bowl. Place the small portion of stuffing at the center of the dish and working upwards start closing the outer edges inside while forming the shape of the modak. Remove the excess dough from the top and make the top in a shape of a dome. Using a toothpick, press it against the soft dough. The imprints from the toothpick all around will make a beautiful design. This way you can make the beautiful dome-shaped modaks without using a mold. Once all the modaks are ready, add the water into a steamer and bring it to a boil. Place a silk or cotton cloth onto the steaming plate and transfer all the modaks onto the plate. Steam the modaks for 15 minutes. Turn off the gas and our beautiful, delicious traditional steam modaks are ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your family and friends.